Join the #1 most watched newscast in the automotive industry. CBT News. Subscribe today. Welcome to CBT News with Bridget Fitzpatrick.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to CBT News. I'm Bridget Fitzpatrick. Thank you so much for joining us. Here are today's top stories. May held the lowest level of wholesale used vehicle prices for the year as sales declined in the face of high interest rates and inflationary retail prices. The Cox Automotive Manheim Used Vehicle Value Index reported a 2.7% decline from April to May yesterday, falling to 224.5. The index's lowest level since 219.3 in December. Given that retail prices have traditionally changed in response to changes in wholesale prices, continued declines may help to lower used vehicle pricing for consumers. By 2030, Volvo plans to sell only electric vehicles and later be in a carbon-neutral decade. The automaker has made significant strides in getting its fleet to EVs and plug-in hybrids, with its vehicles like the XC40, C40, and now the delayed EX90. However, yesterday's announcement introduced the new EX30, which is expected to start sales in 2024 at $35,000. The new SUV will also come in an off-road cross-country trim and is available in the U.S. for pre-orders now. On June 6th, several American cities are suing Hyundai and Kia, accusing the South Korean automakers of negligence and creating a public nuisance. New York, along with Baltimore, Cleveland, Milwaukee, San Diego, and Seattle, have also sued the company for selling vehicles that are too easy to steal. In the complaint filed, New York faulted the automaker's failure to install anti-theft devices called immobilizers on most of their cars from 2011 to 2022. A fight over AM radio found the auto industry in Congress on June 6th, as some companies are removing the frequency from electric vehicle systems because the battery motors interfere with signals. Bipartisan lawmakers are considering requiring automakers to keep AM radio in all new vehicles. However, during a meeting with the House Energy and Commerce Subcommittee, the lobbying group for the auto industry urged lawmakers not to do that, arguing that there's already plenty of technology available to broadcast safety alerts and that regulation could hinder future innovation. That wraps up our show for today, but we invite you to join us back here again tomorrow morning for all the latest news and trends impacting the retail automotive industry. And be sure to follow us on TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm Bridget Fitzpatrick. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
CBT News, your #1 resource for auto industry news and content. Join the #1 most watched newscast in the automotive industry. CBT News. Subscribe today.